Drivers of performance vehicles really know their stuff, especially when it comes to their replacement tires. What you need to know when working with an enthusiast customer base. Next. When it comes to outfitting your customer's performance vehicle with UHP summer tires, you play a key role in helping them weigh their options and choosing the right rubber for the road, whether it's for their sporty daily driver or weekends spent at the track. So make sure you're up to speed on a UHP tire feature, performance characteristics, and options, because these performance seekers are going to ask. Within this segment, there has been growth in larger rim diameters and lower aspect ratios. And while there are still high volume sizes in 17 and 18-inch rim diameters, the future of the UHP summer tire is 19-inch and above. While UHP all-season tires are gaining in popularity, UHP summer tires still offer the best performance during the warmer months. Looking at trends for this UHP segment, manufacturers have developed several sub-segments within the UHP summer category. These include Max Summer, Extreme Summer, Competition Summer, as well as more recent names like Super UHP and Hyper Summer. These sub-segments are differentiated by unique compounds, varying tread designs, and respective UTQG treadwear ratings. As with any enthusiast segment, serving these customers usually comes down to understanding how a customer is going to use their car and tires and the availability of the proper fitment. Proper installation is also critical given the sensitive nature of these tires. I'm Mary DellaValle, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.